Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our first 5-pack challenge. 5-pack challenge. Yeah, baby. What is a 5-pack challenge? 5-pack challenge, clicking on one of the links in the description box below to take you over to Ice Yarns, putting 5 packs of yarn in your shopping cart and going to the checkout to see how much shipping is going to be. 5 packs of yarn, $19.99 to the US, UK, Canada. So basically North America, Europe, and the UK. It is $32.90 to Africa and Australia and Asia, I think, also the rest of the continents. So that is 2 kilos of yarn. It's a great deal. Go and check it out. So this is my first 5-pack challenge yarn order that I made last week. It came yesterday and I thought I'd share it with you. Let me get my scissors. I'm sitting on them, I swear. Okay. Big scissors. I'm going to open up that end. Okay, good. Aggressive. Ooh! Look. I have to just touch you. Oh, it's butter. It's butter. Okay. Carefully. Oh. Okay. Well, Custom's had a bit of a heyday on it. That's unfortunate. All right. Not bad. They have shredded one of my bags. That bag is broken, but the yarn is not damaged. Not at all. Oh, this is what I'm waiting for. This is my next hug shrug. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's so yummy. It's so soft. I'm sorry you can't feel it. This yarn is so delicious, and it was on sale for 37 cents. 37 cents. Let me just read you about it. This is called Polar Eyelash. If you wanted to get some now, it's called Polar Soft. Comes in a bunch of colors. So this is just different shades of turquoise. Oh, it's like little clouds. So yummy. So this says 100% polyamide, 50-gram balls, 100 meters. The yards will be on the website. I'll put a link for it in the description box below. And a 5 to 6 millimeter needle. They call it, I think it's a size 5 for bulky. But I just use a 6. Well, I use anything for it, but I've used it a lot. I've used it many times in many different colors. Also does great borders on blankets. It makes it look like you really tried. So it's not actually a chunky yarn, but you can use a big needle, a big hook. So it's delicious. So that is my first bag, which needs some TLC because it is open. Another good thing about ordering from Ice Yarns is they all do come in bags. So they store beautifully. There is my second pack. You can see a bit of the colors. So pretty. So that is the same as Polar Soft. Oh, look, I got a Prezi. Oh, I saw this on Facebook and I totally wanted one. Now I have one. Look, it's a little bag from Ice Yarns. Thank you, Ice Yarns. Look, iceyarns.com. That's really cute. A little transfer on a little cotton bag. Adorable. Oh, I'm lucky. I was jealous because one of our friends on Facebook got one, and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't got one. Oh, she got a coaster too. Oh, so did I. Oh, I'm going to totally use the coaster. The coaster, look how cute that is. Is it focusing or what? There's too much stuff in my background. Can I block my background? No. Okay, super cute coaster. And on the back it has like how to follow them and stuff. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, that's merch envy right there. And now my goodness, oh, I've been waiting for you, cotton bamboo light. Oh no, this is a Lara. What am I going on about? Oh, this is a Lara. Oh, so my cotton bamboo is coming in my next 5-pack challenge. Oh, I love it. So this is a Lara, because I realized I have a Lara. Where is it? Can you see it? Can I see it? Okay. This shelf here is all a Lara. There is no white. I didn't order white. So I needed white, because if you're making anything, you need some pop. So I bought white. Oh yes, my plan is all coming back to me. And this really soft, light mint color. I want to make a cover for this chair. So I was ordering yarn to go along with that in the future. So that's part of my, oh, I'm so happy. I have the best colors picked out for it. And one more white to make it 5 packs, because you can always use white, and I always need white. So I got 2 Alara whites, 1 Alara mint. Oh, it's very washed out, isn't it? 1 Alara mint, 2 packs of Polar Eyelash or Eyelash Soft. Isn't that dreamy? There's 1 more pack, but it's the broken bag. So that is my happiness of the day. We can start making our shoulder shrug. If you are doing the shoulder shrug, you will also go and grab yourself 1 or 2 packs of the Polar Soft. It is delicious. I would also suggest, if you are my size, you need 1 pack. If you are larger than my size, grab 2. It's also just really great for edging blankets and stuff, so I have no problem having a few extra balls hanging around, because it makes any border with any other yarn like you really, really tried. So that is a win-win right there. So that's it. That is my big, gee whiz. That is my big 5-pack challenge. There'll be another one next week to see what I have ordered and why I have ordered it. Oh, I realized I need some other colors. Right? I do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have lots of these things coming out quite often, actually. Love to have you join us. You can also follow me on Instagram at Secret Yarnery, or join our Facebook group, the Secret Yarnery Crochet Community. Love to see what you are working on and what you have ordered. There is some amazing yarns going on over there. It is wonderful. Love to have you join us. Have a super great week, and we'll see you tomorrow. Stay hooked.
Dingle's gonna be massive.
Yes. I guess I'm not filming right now. Am I not filming right now? Leave your mother alone.
I'm gonna go make myself sliders.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye. I love you. Okay. Okay, pretty good, not bad.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What now? What do you need?
The key.
It's right there, go.
Okay.
Shut my door. Okay. Hi. Hi, this is Krista at the Secret. Oh, I didn't put my microphone on. Ah, Jiminy Crickets. Hi. Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our first, what are we calling it? 5-pack challenge. Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our 5-pack chat. That's the wrong way.